Welcome to Chillin' 101. We hope this video helps.
You already have the essential files, now add a button to trigger an alert. In your HTML body place, button ID equals alert btn click / button, then open or create a script area, you will attach an event listener. Use document. Get element by ID alert btn. Add event listener, click function, alert your message. This is the first actionable step because it connects the UI to behavior. Once done, save and reload the page to test the basic alert. Once the basic trigger works, make the alert dynamic. Read a value, var name equals document. Get element by ID name, value, then call alert hello plus name plus. You can build conditional messages. If count 3 alert, limit reached, else alert, you have plus count plus left. Make sure to put your script after elements or use window. Onload / defer so the DOM is ready. This prevents null errors and lets you safely reference inputs and state in the alert call. To finish, test the alert flow and close any gaps. If clicking does nothing, open DevTools and check for syntax errors or null references. Fix any misspelled ID and reload. If the browser suppresses alerts, try temporary console. Log message to confirm logic. Once confirmed, consider replacing alert with a custom modal for a smoother experience. If you must keep alert, ensure it's not inside a suppressed context like automated tests. This single troubleshooting tip usually resolves common failures.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.